welcome dear students. Welcome to a special course on the research strategy. I'm Dr. Pervaiz Ahmad. In this particular lectures, we will try to teach our students a research strategy via a flow chart. This will be the easiest way for the student to learn that how they should start the research, how they should proceed, and how they should write their finding for publication in the form of research paper. So let's start our discussions in today's lecture. So here you can see a flow chart of a research strategy. That is what actually you should do at the start. So first of all, you should choose a topic. This is the first thing while you're starting the research. So the first thing is you choose a topic. Then you proceed towards to find the background informations. So for finding the background informations, you search for the reference materials. For the reference materials, the best way is you have to study the textbook. You are used to where your coursework. Along with the textbook, you can search for some of the relevant book and your school and your department library. You can go for the newspapers. You can search on the web, and you can do the theoreticals. So once you get enough background information, then you should proceed, and you should think that as the topic goes, or you can ask yourself, is the topic narrow enough? These are the questions which you can ask yourself when you have enough information while studying the books, newspaper, or some of the web resources. So if you are able to ask a question that as the topic is good enough, or you have enough informations, uh, so it's okay, you should proceed. If you don't have you're unable to answer the questions that whether the you have the enough background information or not. So if your answer is no, so then again you have to go to the start, and again you have to choose a good topic. If your questions if your answer for the question is the topic is good enough is yes, so then you should proceed further, and now you should search for some more material. That is, you should search online. You should go for the online catalog, online electronic databases. You should search for bibliographic informations. That is, you should take the material from some relevantly published materials. You can find it from different published journals or from book, and so you can proceed toward the next step. Once you define that okay, your topic is good, and you can do the research and you can proceed. So for that you have to find further materials, and for the further materials you should go online. There are a lot of electronic databases which we can discuss in the coming lectures. You can find a lot of bibliographic informations. So with the help of that, you can locate, you can read, you can evaluate, and make the notes. So for that, again, you should take the articles from the referee journals. In that, your supervisor can really help you. Along with that, you can add some web pages. There's a lot of website relevant to your research field. You can get the information from there, but make sure to get those website or those pages. Where you believe that these can be the accurate sources by proceeding further. Similarly, you can take some article from the magazine. There are some good magazines that have been published online. You can take articles from there. Along with that, you can also take help from the books, newspaper articles, and along with that you can have additional resources. Additional resources can be some of your friends or some of your seniors who's working in this field. So all these things, they will help you to refine your topic. So once you define your topic, and then you have to proceed further, and where you believe that you have enough information. You should ask here a question from yourself again, that as the information that you have is enough or not. If your question answer is no, So then again you have to go to this particular step, that is you again should locate, read, evaluate, and make notes. I mean that you have to repeat this step. I mean, where again you have to start studying the journals or all these things, you have to do it again. So again you have to define a topic, and at the end again you have to ask questions whether the information is enough or not. At this time your answer is yes, it's okay, I have enough informations, I should proceed further. Then you should go on these directions. I mean, you should organize your materials. Once you organize your materials, then uh, think and synthesize. I mean, you have enough materials, you have organized as your materials, and now if you are an experimentalist, I mean you work in the field of material science, or you work in the field of physics or chemistry. So what actually you should do, you should think and synthesize. I mean, you should go to the lab, you should think about the experimental setup, you should organize your experiment, and you should perform the experimental work. That is, you should synthesize the materials, and after that you have to repeat the process until you're ready to write. I mean, you should once you synthesize the materials, you do the characterizations, you get the informations, you write the materials, you repeat the process again and again until you believe that you are ready to write. So set and your somewhere inside your lab, write what you have done, discuss that, and at the end, I mean, you will have sufficient informations where your writing process, where you will believe that is enough to send to a journal for publication. So this is how I mean you can have a writing strategy uh, while you are starting research, or you're a new researcher, you want to have to make a successful writing strategy, so you can do it like that. I hope you enjoy the lectures. See you in more lectures. Tenlin, bye bye.